In this video, how to create and apply themes in Camtasia. Creating and applying themes in Camtasia is an effective way to maintain consistent branding and visual style throughout your videos. First, create a theme. You'll be able to customize various aspects of your theme. Choose the colors for your theme. You can select primary and secondary colors that will be used for text, shapes, and other visual elements. These colors can be applied to annotations, callouts, captions, and more. Choose a default font style for annotations and captions. You can customize the font family, size, and other formatting options. If you're using logos in your video, you can upload and apply a custom logo. This logo can be applied to intros, outros, or lower thirds. Now that you've created a theme, you can apply it to your video projects. Apply the theme to annotations or callouts. As you can see, the background and the font style were applied as you've configured. For text elements, select the text in your timeline, then use the Theme drop-down menu in the Properties panel to apply the theme's font and colors. Apply a theme to a shape. Apply a theme with a logo to a lower third. And finally, you can export a theme to use on another computer or share it with your college. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.